Hi, welcome to the fourth video of the Inference Engineering playlist. And in this video, I'll be covering the chapter 1 of the book called Prerequisites. So in this chapter, essentially the author tries to cover the concept of understanding your application, the business needs before committing to any sort of inferencing guidelines. So what is the scale of your application? What specialization are you trying to build for? Are you trying to build for business, like a B2B setup, or are you trying to build for a consumer? Then comes the aspect of what are you trying to optimize? Are you trying to optimize for latency? Like, are you building an online kind of application where it's going to be the user is expecting real-time answers, like having an agent, a chatbot, a voice bot, where the user is kind of impatient and you would prefer to have lower latencies? Or are you trying to build something which is not latency sensitive and it's more like on a throughput focused application where you need like more users to be served? And at scale, obviously with high throughput, you'll be able to serve more users with less number of GPUs if you consider having self-hosted deployments. Now comes the aspect of like, what kind of model are you trying to solve for? Are you solving a problem where the model that you need is a gigantic model which is not even going to fit on one GPU? Or is it something that can be solved with a very small SLM and you do not need the intelligence of a GPU 5.5 to solve that problem? Even if you need to, are you able to solve it using distillation or fine-tuning, and that solves your inferencing problem? Then comes the last aspect of how do you measure these things, right? For latency, you use something called time to first token, inter-token latency, and then for throughput, obviously you have tokens per second. And then you measure the end-to-end response times also, apart from having these individual smaller blocks. And then you measure the values of the P50, P90, P95, P99 when you're measuring the response times. So with this, I will try to summarize. The entire chapter tries to focus on what do we need to know before even investing in an engineering decision of what kind of inferencing suits your business. So I'll see you in part 5 of the video series with chapter 1.